percentage and simple interest. Number 6. Shamol Chakma brought 4,500 taka from a bank and an annual interest of 8% were always charged on the principal. Our first question, find the interest of 8 years. So before starting, we have to know what is given in this question and what is need. Our need, find the interest. It means we should find out the I. So first, given brought 4,500 taka. It means this is a principal which is P equals to 4,500 taka. Okay, and then here mention find the interest of 8 years. So time, it will be N, which is 8 years. And next, interest rate, which is R. This is 8%. This 8% we can write 8 by 100. Okay, so interest I equals to nothing. It means we need this one. We know I means interest, I equals to PNR. We know I equals to PNR. It means principal P times N means time, and interest rate, it means rate, which is R. So we should implement this now. Principal is 4,500 times N is 8 years times rate is 8 by 100. Okay, so we can divide this 0 and 0, 0 and 0. So here is 45 times 8 times 8. So what will be the answer? Answer is, we should use calculator, right? So 45 times 8 times 8, it will be 2,880 taka. 2,880 taka. So number A done. Okay, so number B. Number B, how much taka would he pay back in 10 years later? So almost are similar thing. Here time should be 10, right? So not 8, here is 10. Rate is same, it means 8% or 8 by 100. Now the calculation will be almost same. So here time will be changed, or we can write from beginning. It means principal 4,500 taka times time will be 10 years. So here is 10 times rate is 8%. It means 8 by 100. So 0 and 0, 0 and 0 out. So here is 45 times 10 times 8. So what will be the answer? You can use calculator. So 45 times 10 times 8. So it will be 3,600 taka, right? 3,600 taka. But this is interest. But what we need how much taka would he pay back. It means he has taken 4,500 taka and plus interest. So he will pay interest plus principal. Right? So what will be the amount? Here is 3,600 plus principal was 4,500 taka, right? So once summation, we will get here is 0 0 0, so 0 0 4 6 5 1 and 3 4 7, it will be 8. It means 8,100 taka he will pay after 10 years later if he take 4,500 taka from bank, interest rate 8%. Very simple thing. So number A and B done. Number C. Several years later, the annual interest summed up to 2,520 taka. How many years did he borrow? So look, here it's already mentioned interest, which is 2,500 taka interest. So how many years? So we need years. So we can write given principal equals to 4,500 taka, right? And then rate, it already mentioned, which is 8%. 8%. This is P. And interest, it will be I, which is 2,520 taka, and time, it will be N. We want to know how many years did he borrow. So we know, look, I equals to PNR. It means N will be I divide PR. Okay, so we know time equals to interest, and here is principal and time rate. Okay, so now interest will be 2,520 and then principal 4,500 times rate is 8/100. Look, this 100 we can write like 2,520 times 100, right? And here is only 4,500 times 8. Okay, so 0 0 0 0 out. Now what can we do? Here is 45 and here is 2,520. We can divide this one by what? We can divide this one by 5. So 2,520 divide 5, it will be 504. 504, and here is 45, we can divide by 5, so 5 times 9 is a 45, so 9. Now let's check this 504, if we divide by 9, it will become 56. So here is 56 and 9 divide 9 is a 1. Okay, 9 divide 9 is a 1. So here is 56. So 56 we can divide by 8, it will be 7. So our answer is 7 year. Okay, so very simple. Number A, B, C, everything done. So our number 6 also done. So thank you very much. If you understand, it's good. If you don't, please write a line in the comment section. Number 7. Ali Hassan brought some money with an annual interest 6%. He paid back 1,272 taka 1 year later. Our first question is, what is the meanings of an annual interest of 6%? So number A, we can write like, the meanings of an annual interest, look, the meanings of an annual interest of 6%, of 6% is in a year, is in a year is in a year 6 টাকা is the interest of interest of interest of or interest for 100 টাকা. It means if you take some money from any other people or anywhere, you should pay 6 টাকা for 100 টাকা. So for 200 টাকা you will pay 12 টাকা, like this. So it's a 6%. Next question, how much was the principal? Two way we can solve these kinds of math. First one, it's a general method. What is the meaning of annual interest we already discussed, and how much was the principal? Look, here only mentioned 6% and 1272 is a total money or total payment, total amount which can be denoted by A equals to 1272 টাকা, right? And interest rate, it will be R, it means 6%. Now it's an important things, if take 100 টাকা will pay, it's a 6%, it means 100 plus 6 টাকা he will pay, right? It means 106 টাকা, right? And now look, so he paid 1272 টাকা. So what does mean? It means 106 টাকা paid for 100 টাকা. It means he take 100 টাকা for 6%. 1 year later it's become 106 টাকা. So for 1 টাকা he paid for 100 divide 106 টাকা. Next, for 1272 টাকা he paid for, so 100 times 1272 and 106 টাকা. Okay, so after calculation we will get, here is 1200 টাকা. It means if, look, he has taken 1200 টাকা and returned back 1272 টাকা. It means interest is 72 টাকা. Okay, so look, total pay 1272 টাকা, principal here is 1200 টাকা. So interest, it will be, once we subtract it will become 72 টাকা. It's no need, it's a interest. So our question B, the answer is 1200 টাকা. I hope you clear this one, but we will try to solve this one by another method. It's a general method which is we completed, and if we follow the rule, it means I equals to P n R. Also we can find the value. How? Let's start. Same math we can solve also like this way. This is the second method. What? Number B. Here is mentioned interest rate, which is R equals to 6%, or we can write 6 by 100, right? Then time equals to n. It means time is a n, it's a 1 year, and total he pay back 1272 টাকা. It means total amount A equals to 1272 টাকা. We know A equals to, or total amount is equals to interest I plus principal. Principal is a P, and also we know interest equals to PNR. We know this one, I equals to PNR, and plus principal is a P. We know amount equals to I plus P, right? And interest means I equals to PNR, and principal is the P. So we have to find out the value of principal. It means we need P. So here we can take common P. So here is NR plus 1, right? So here 1272. Now both sides we can divide NR plus 1. So we can write P equals to what? P equals to 1272 divide NR plus 1. Now 1272, N means 1 times R means 6%. 6% means 6 by 100 plus 1. Now 1272, and we can make LCM. So here is 6 plus 100 divide 100. Then we can write P equals to 1272, and here is a 6 plus 100 is a 606 by 100. Now in this case 1272 and fraction will be flipped, so 100 by 106. So now we can write 1272 divide 106 is a 12, and this is 12, and 12 times 100 it means 1200, and this is our principal. Okay, so any one you can follow. Number B done. The answer will be same. Number C, mention how many years later did the interest sum up to 648. So again we can write given principal P equals to what? We already find from number B 1200 taka. We can write from B. Okay, and then interest rate R equals to 6%, or we can say 6 by 100, and then year we don't know, and interest equals to 648 taka. Principal also taka, interest is a I, and we know look, I equals to PNR, so we can say this N means time equals to I divide PR, right? So time equals to, here is interest and then what? Principal times rate, then interest what? 648, principal 1200, times rate means 6 by 100. Okay, so 648, this 100 we can write times 100 and divide 1200 times 6. So 0000 out. Now what? Now we can 648 can be divided by 6. We can 648 divide 6. It will be 108. 108. And let's see, 108 can be divided by 12. It will be 9, right? 9. So our answer is 9. 9 is a year. So 9 years later, our interest will become 648 taka. So I wish everything is clear. And again, if you have any problem, please write a line in the comment section. Thank you very much.